Welcome back to HSE Tutorials. In our last video, we covered employer obligations under C155 and R164. But it's not just employers who have a role in workplace safety. Workers have important responsibilities and rights too. In today's video, we're going to explore the worker obligations and rights under Article 19 of C155 and R164. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about workers' responsibilities. Article 19 of C155 highlights that workers must cooperate with their employers to help fulfill safety obligations. But what does that look like in practice? That's where R164 comes in with more specific guidance. According to R164, 1. Workers should take reasonable care of their own safety and that of other people who might be affected by the things that they do and the things that they fail to do. 2. Workers should comply with safety instructions and procedures. 3. Workers should use all safety equipment properly and not tamper with it. 4. Workers should report any situation which they believe could be a hazard and which they cannot themselves correct. 5. Workers should report any work-related accident or ill health. So, these responsibilities help keep the workplace safe for everyone. But it's not just about duties, workers also have important rights. Worker rights under C155. Now, let's talk about the rights that workers are entitled to under C155. The convention doesn't just ask workers to be responsible, it ensures they have the tools to stay safe. Here are the key rights that workers have under Article 19 of C155. 1. The right to be provided with adequate information on actions the employer has taken to ensure occupational safety and health. 2. The right to the necessary training in occupational safety and health. 3. The right to be consulted by the employer on all matters of occupational safety and health relating to their work. 4. The right to leave a workplace which the worker has reason to think presents an imminent and serious danger to their life or health and not be compelled to return until it is safe. These rights are essential for maintaining a safe work environment and making sure workers have a voice in workplace safety. Now you might be wondering, why does this balance of responsibilities and rights matter? Well, a safe workplace requires cooperation between both employers and workers. Employers need to provide a safe environment, but workers also need to take action and follow the rules. Ultimately, safety is a shared responsibility, and when everyone plays their part, accidents and injuries can be avoided. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more videos on workplace safety. In the next video, we'll cover role of enforcement agencies and consequences of non-compliance. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or thoughts about workers' responsibilities and rights under C155. Thanks for watching, and remember, safety is everyone's job.